You want to find a fast way to find hooks for your TikTok videos or your Instagram reels or your YouTube shorts, whatever content you have that you need a title for, I definitely recommend using Google Bard to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do it because honestly, they give you at least like 30 or more title information, but you can also take those titles and make different content based off of those as well. But I have a TikTok video. Please come up with 10 hooks for it, 10 hook titles for it. Okay. All right, and so you have all of these titles and they're a little bit long. So obviously you can see view other drafts right over here, and it's gonna give you more options. And you can see it's like shorter over here, which you can switch it to that one or this one. So obviously you might have to modify it a little bit, or you can click this button and regenerate completely and it can redo it again for you. So if you look at these are great, potential posts for actual blogs or other content, right? And then again, you have more hooks over here. I hope that helped you. If it did, follow my channel. I talk more about ChatGPT and AI to help you with your blogging and content creation process.